from this audience, or whatever audience it is, picked the song, and we learned it that day in soundcheck, and it's just kind of something cool for us to get to learn. Anyway, and we picked this song because a ton of you requested it for tonight. We just picked one. Sam Taylor was one of them that requested it. I thought I heard a scream, so way to go, Sam. But anyway, a ton of y'all requested it, and I get it because I think they're from here. So, but anyway, I'm gonna do a little mix of Oasis and Ryan Adams on this song. So I like both versions. So anyway, I hope y'all like this. It's called Wonderwall. Should've somehow realized what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Yeah. And backbeat, the words on the street that the fire in your heart is out. I'm sure you've heard it all before, but you never really had a doubt. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads we have to walk are winding, and all the lights that lead us there are blinding. And there are many things that I would like to say, but I don't know how. Because maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my today was gonna be the day, but they never throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you got to do. And I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now, no. And all the roads that lead you there are winding, and all the lights that light the way. You're gonna be the